here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the tail light bulbs, brake light bulbs, and what can cause them to go out a lot. So let's start with the right side. On the hatchback here, got a little access panel. And we go in, and there's your bulbs. You have the side marker, and then the tail light, brake light. And there's just no way to show this, I don't think. So I simply turn it, pull it out, and that gets you access to the bulb. And the bulb pulls straight out. And I suggest trying not to get fingerprints all over it. Those oils will cause it to burn out quicker. Put it in, just the opposite way. The second one works the same exact way. So here's the thing. You may notice there's a wire comes here, and there's this yellow color, and then there's this socket and the bulb. Well, this yellow piece, you push here, and you can separate it from the socket. Let me show you what that looks like on one of the sockets that has gone bad. This is where the yellow plugs in, and then the bulb plugs in here. Well, I don't know if it's going to show up on the video or not. You can see some burn marks. This thing has gone bad and kept having the tail lights and brake lights go out on it, and it's like, this doesn't make sense. Is it getting water in it? Is it, what's going on there? No, there wasn't. Turns out this thing had gone bad. This is called the rear brake light lamp bulb socket. So you just have to buy a new one, but that's it. That cost me several bulbs trying to figure out what was going on. On the left side, where you have the jack, you simply open that up, and right in there are your bulbs. You may or may not be able to see. There's not a lot of light, sorry. But it works the same way as the other. That's how you get access, though. To get access to your third brake light, right here. Reach from the bottom, pull it out, and there's the bulb. It's the same twist and pull, and it also has a socket. It's a different one. Line it up. I made that look nice and difficult for you. It wasn't. You just got to use a little force. And finally, the reverse lights are in here. What you're going to want to do, pop it down and off. And take it, it's just like the others. Turn. Pull it out. It's a push-in type, and it has that socket. Looks like it may be the same socket even. Turn it. And then put that side in. Push up. It's the exact same over on this side. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.